myself Sanuja Pradhan. I am in 12th Commerce. It is wonderful to see you here. Today I am here to explain the topic demand and law of demand. And in this topics we are going to cover demand, quantity demanded, demand functions, demand schedule, demand curve, law of demand, assumptions of law of demand and exceptions of law of demand. So let's get started. Let's understand by an example. Here, desire. When a poor person desire to travel by an aeroplane, it is a desire for her or him because he can't travel by aeroplane in that particular time. When a person able to buy a ticket and can travel by an aeroplane, it is his wants. But when he can buy a ticket and also travel by an aeroplane, the wants converted into demand, and which is we call a demand.
Yeah.
So, by definition, demand is the amount of a thing a person is willing and able to buy at a given price. It has some important points that are willingness of a person, ability of a person at a given price. In simple words, we can understand that demand जिसमें किसी इंसान की चाहत होती है किसी चीज को खरीदने के लिए और उसी प्राइस में जो प्राइस. So basically, demand is the amount of a thing a person is willing and able to buy at a given price. There are some important points in the definition of demand, which are willingness of a person, ability of a person, and at a given price. It means, in simple words, अगर किसी इंसान की इच्छा है किसी चीज को खरीदने की और अगर वो उस चीज को सक्षम है खरीदने के लिए उस गिवन प्राइस में, तो ही हम उसे डिमांड कहेंगे. अगर इन तीनों की फैक्टर्स में से किसी भी एक चीज का मेल मिलाप ना हो तो हम लोग उस डेफिनेशन को डिमांड नहीं कह सकते. इट कैन बी योर वांट्स और डिजायर बट नॉट डिमांड. अगेन वी कैन. So now we will know about some factors affecting demand. There are some factors which affect demand, which is change in price of related goods, income of a person, or a preference or taste of a person, or demands of good. Just like अगर किसी गुड्स को खरीदने की पहले ट्रेंड चल रहा था, अब वो ट्रेंड खत्म हो जाए तो ऑब्वियसली उस जो पर्टिकुलर चीज है उसका डिमांड कम हो जाएगा. अगर मेनली किसी पर्सन का इनकम अभी 20,000 था, अगर रेस होके 50,000 हो गया तो ऑब्वियसली अब वो इंफीरियर गुड्स को ज्यादा प्रेफर करेगा पहले जो गुड्स लेता था. इससे हमारे पास डिमांड फंक्शन आता है. डिमांड फंक्शन इज जनरली अ रिलेशन बिटवीन क्वांटिटी ऑफ गुड्स डिमांडेड एंड द फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग इट. बेसिकली डिमांड फंक्शन डिमांड और फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग डिमांड का रिलेशन बताता है. So we can say that demand function refers to the relation between demand and factors affecting it. There are two types of demand function. First, individual demand function and second, market demand function. In individual demand function is the amount of a thing a person is willing to buy or able to buy at a given price or a given period of time just for a consumer. In individual demand function, we talks about an individual consumer or a person, but in market demand functions we are talking about a market number of consumers. When it is related to the individual consumer, we say it in the individual demand function. But when we collectively take more persons or more consumer, we can say that it is market demand functions. After demand function, we are as we know about the demand function, now we will study about demand schedule. Basically, demand schedule is nothing but a tabular representation of demand function. In individual demand, we are talking about individual customer. So, when there is a raise in price of biscuit, the quantity demand decreases. Just like when there is the price of biscuit is 10, only the one person is interested to buy it. When it's 8, then 3. When 6, it's 5, and so on. But in market demand schedule, we are talking about the but in market demand schedule, we are talking about a group of customers or consumers. Just like price in milk per liter, when it is 20, demand of consumer A is 3 liter, but the demand of consumer B is 2 liter, and so on. And in market demand schedule, when we add the demand of consumer A and consumer B, which is 5, 7, 11 and 13. The difference here is simple. In individual demand, we are talking about a single consumer, but in a market demand schedule, we are talking about group of consumers or many consumers. Thank you.